Alright, another windy morning. I don't know what's the name, but I will translate it to butterfly. From the news, there's a typhoon crossing through the Guangdong province. Yeah, it's been just like raining and off over the last few days. So this morning I did about an hour, 1 kilometer at the basement garage. Yeah, better than nothing. And after that I took a shower. What else did? Oh, I stretched for 18 minutes. Now I just took the dog out. Yeah, it actually feels so comfortable here being outside. It's windy. I washed my hair. Today is June 15, 2025. Actually, Father's Day. Yep, happy Father's Day. I will say that to my dad. Actually, 2 days ago I already told him because I mistook the date. And also today is my 6th anniversary of commencement. Yeah, I walked the graduation ceremony on that day 6 years ago, 2019, June 15th. And my mom got her Tesla a year ago today. So yeah, it's a good day. Alright, I'm gonna find a spot and read a few minutes, and yeah, start raining again. I need to go get some paper to pick up the dog's poop. Alright, have a good day guys. Peace.